हेलो एंड वेलकम मेरे प्यारे जीनियसेस। अब इस जीनियस वीडियो में यू विल लर्न हाउ आर्किटेक्ट्स एंड डिजाइनर्स used the midpoint theorem to design this stunning piece of architecture in China, the Shenzhen Universiade Sports Center. अब अगर आप ध्यान से देखो ना तो every facet of the exterior of this exclusive sports center is triangular. So therefore, to provide it with the best possible support, architects ने use की the midpoint theorem. They placed the support beam at PQ, where P was the midpoint of side AB and Q was the midpoint of side AC. So by using the midpoint theorem, we can prove that PQ is parallel to BC and also PQ is equal to half the length of BC. अब ऐसा करो, extend the line segment PQ up to R such that PQ equals to QR, like this, ऐसे. अब in the triangle APQ and triangle CRQ, AQ equals to QC and triangle AQP equals to triangle CQR because they are vertically opposite angles, and PQ equals to QR. So therefore both these triangles यानी कि triangle APQ and triangle CRQ are congruent triangles by the SAS test. So therefore the corresponding angles यानी angle PAQ and angle RCQ will also be equal. Now ध्यान से observe करो that CR and AB जो है are two lines which are intersected by the transversal AC. Then these angles यानी angle PAQ and angle RCQ are alternate angles. And what happens if the alternate angles are equal? The two lines are said to be parallel lines. So therefore line CR is parallel to AB or CR is parallel to PB. इसी तरीके से corresponding sides CR and AP are also equal, but P is the midpoint of AB. So AP equal to PB equal to CR. So therefore it follows that quadrilateral PBCR is a parallelogram. And हमें क्या पता है about parallelograms? बताओ. That the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So therefore PR is parallel to BC, or we can also say that PQ is parallel to BC. And since it is a parallelogram, तो PR is equal to BC. ठीक है ना? But PR is equal to क्या है? PQ plus QR. तो therefore हम क्या कहेंगे? BC equals to PQ plus QR. Also PQ equals to QR. तो therefore ये क्या हो जाएगा? BC equals to 2PQ or PQ is equal to half BC. So thus we have proved that the midpoint theorem, which states that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, which means that if P and Q are the midpoints of AB and AC, then PQ is parallel to BC. Similarly, we can also prove the converse of this theorem, which states that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. So, if P is the midpoint of AB and line PQ is parallel to BC, so we can say that Q is the midpoint of AC. So now that you know the midpoint theorem, you can easily see कि कैसे architects use their basic knowledge of geometry to provide support to stunning pieces of architecture. फिलहाल वक्त हो गया मेरे जाने का. आपसे मिलूंगा एक और जीनियस से वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जीनियस से पढ़ो, जीनियस बनो.